Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert bookmarks and use them in Google Docs. So for example, let's scroll down this document, and if I would like to insert here a bookmark, I need to click somewhere here, and I need to go to Insert, and I need to click on Bookmark. Then it will be successfully added here. So now we need to insert a link to bookmarks, so we need to scroll up, and for example, I will insert a link somewhere here. So I select this text, I click on this one icon to insert a link, or I use shortcut Ctrl key to do it. Then we need to go to Headings, Bookmarks and Tabs, and here we have bookmark that we have already created. So I click on it, and now if you will click on this one link, you will see the bookmark we have created before. So if you will click on it, the location of the view will be changed to position of this bookmark. So it is how it works. If I helped you to use it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if you suffer a problem.